Ready to transform your mindset? Let's break free from limiting beliefs. First, identify thoughts holding you back. What negative stories do you tell yourself? Now, challenge these beliefs. Are they really true or just fears? Replace them with empowering thoughts. I can't becomes I'm learning to. I'm not good enough turns into I'm improving every day. Practice positive self-talk daily. Visualize your success and potential. Embrace a growth mindset. Every challenge is an opportunity to learn. Take small steps outside your comfort zone. Celebrate each win, no matter how small. Surround yourself with supportive people. Their energy will fuel your transformation. Remember, your beliefs shape your reality. Choose ones that empower and inspire you. You have the power to rewrite your story. It's time to unleash your true potential. Your mindset makeover starts now.